guys, it's Priscilla and this is Swaggy's Kitchen. If this is your first time watching, I'm actually here to help you with some fun, easy recipes for you and your family. Not just that, but I'm also here to add value to your life by sharing some inspirational content with you guys. But today, we're actually going to be making taquitos. For those of you who don't know what taquitos are pretty much just a tortilla that's filled with either beef, chicken, or cheese. And I say cheese because it's different, and that's actually what we're doing today. A lot of people are like, what? Cheese taquitos? But it's actually really, really good. Alright, so for the ingredients you will need onions, tomatoes, serrano, cilantro, lemon, avocados, and you will need some salsa. And if you haven't seen my salsa tutorial yet, please click right here, or also you can find the link in my description section down below. You will also need some queso ranchero. It's actually Mexican cheese, so it looks like this. Queso fresco. You will need some tortillas because you can't have taquitos without tortillas. And I'm making some pinto beans on the side. I'm using canned beans because we're not going to be making no de la olla beans today. So easy. I'll show you guys how to do that in just a second. Cut the cheese into finger-sized pieces, or if you have kids, you're familiar with string cheeses. So you want to get it to that type of width and length, just because it's easier for you guys to roll with. This is a perfect size cheese to roll it. You want to flip them. Don't flip them if it's too soon, but if you see that they're getting, you know, crunchy and golden, you want to flip them. Nice and crisp and all done. And here you have it, a simple, easy recipe, which is taquitos, rice, and beans. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to follow me on social media, which is Instagram and Facebook at Swaggy's Kitchen. Also like and subscribe for more upcoming yummy recipe videos. And please let me know also how yours came out. I'm sure it's going to be really yummy, but I'd like to hear your feedback on how your recipe came out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.